I have this unfinished piece of wood. It measures 16 inches round. I got mine from Walmart, but it can really be any 16-inch piece of wood. I'm going to start by using some Wise Owl white primer, and I'm just going to prime my board. I like to roll it on sometimes. I don't need complete full coverage, but I just want a light background before going to the next step. Next, I have this red Rooster tissue paper. This can be found at chalkitupfancy.com. I'm going to center the rooster onto the wood round and cut any excess off from the top so it's easier to work with. I have a Gen foam brush and some Wise Owl 1 hour enamel clear. I'm taking it from our 4-ounce, so my brush is a little too big to fit into the opening, so I'm just pouring a little on, and I like to do half of the wood round first. Once I apply the 1 hour enamel clear, I'm going to lay the tissue paper down and then take a piece of saran wrap and my brayer and roll on top of it. This will help eliminate any wrinkles or bubbles. And once I'm happy with that, I'm going to then go to the other half. I'm just pouring a little on using my Gen foam brush to apply it. And then once I'm happy with that, I'm going to lay the rest of my tissue paper down. And again, that saran wrap is going to help protect it when you're using your brayer. So you're just going to roll over the entire wood round, and then you're going to immediately follow with another coat of 1 hour enamel clear right on top of that. Now you can also use the Wise Owl varnish. Both of these are a great medium to decoupage with. You want that to fully dry, and once it's dry, I just take a razor blade and I'm just going to go around the edge of my wood round and remove any excess tissue paper. If you prefer to use a piece of sandpaper, I recommend sanding in a downward motion so you don't rip the edges. So this is what we have so far. I love this tissue paper, and we have a variety of designs over at chalkitupfancy.com. I found this whiskey barrel planter from Christmas Tree Shop. It could be any planter. Mine measures 16 by 10.5 inches. I'm going to take some liquid nails and remove the drainage from the bottom and apply the liquid nails to the bottom of my barrel. I'm then going to add a wood round in the center. It's just a small wood round. I actually added 2 of them, and I applied the liquid nails on that as well. I have a second one, so I got 2 of them for $9.99 each, and I'm going to place them on top of each other, making sure the drainage holes line up. That's going to need several hours to dry, so I'm going to go back to my wood round, and I'm just finding the center of my circle, and then going 2 inches in from the left side here, I'm going to mark 2 inches in, and then 1.5 inches up from that 2-inch mark. And I did that both on the left and right side. This was just one way to keep my holes nice and easy. And then I'm going to take my drill and drill on those markings. And again, what I did to the left side, I also went and did to the right side. So you're going to want to remove the sanding dust from your project. I have some thick jute here that I'm going to string through my holes. Starting on one side, I'm going to tie a knot on the bottom and then loop the jute and place the other end through my second hole and tie a knot on the bottom of that. And here we're making some nice jute handles for our wood round. You can cut off your excess jute, and I just took my staple gun and just stapled the ends down. And I also did that on the other side. So now we have these nice jute handles. And then now we could take this tabletop and you can fill the inside if you'd like with some ice and your favorite drinks. And this is just a nice patio decor. And I really like how this came out. I hope you also enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget that you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.